Aloha, everybody. Today I'm with my homies, Kyle and Aiko.
Wait. Cal. Wait. I'm Aiko. I'm Aiko.
She forgot for a second.
Maui Maui.
Maui
Yeah.
Maui.
He's based out of Maui, so is my homie over here. But Kyle just has a brand new lens, 85, the RF mount. I'm a little envious, I'm a little jealous, I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't want to touch it because I want it. And he says that it's really delicious. But we're gonna try to do something a little bit different. I'm gonna have him put on his 50 RF, and I'm gonna have him take a few shots using the Canon EOS R. Then I'm gonna have him put on my 50 1.2 EF lens. I wanna see if I can tell the difference between the RF glass and the EF glass. Because I've got the EF, he's got the RF, and I'm hoping that I can't tell a difference.
Whatever that means.
Because I don't want to get a new lens.
EF means extra fine.
Extra
Yeah,
fine.
RF means really fine.
Okay,
Yeah.
that makes sense.
I'm gonna have them do a few shots, and we will see how it goes. What do y'all think? Y'all think there's gonna be a big difference between the RF and the EF? If you think the RF is gonna look a lot better, leave a comment down below in the description and let me know what you think. I think there's not gonna be that much difference.
I
What do
have
you
no
think?
clue.
She got
I don't
no
even know
clue.
what that means.
She's been on the, you know what I mean? Is there a lot of
Maui
difference?
Maui.
I think it's gonna be night and day.
Really noticeable?
Night and day. To the point where you're gonna sell your kidney for one of these.
Ooh, wow.
Or maybe both. I don't know.
All right, let's see what we can get.
Wait.
Any tips to new photographers?
I like dialogue. If you could tell your model how to pose, if you can give her directions, or him, I think it's very helpful because you can obviously myself better, you know. So that's what I like about photographers. They're not so quiet. Always bring a speaker. We need music in the background so it's not awkward, especially if it's like the first time you're shooting with somebody. But that's it. That's only like the two things that I really look forward to, and just being open. I think have everything prepared, like location-wise. What are you looking for in a shoot? Like, do you want bikinis? Do you want clothing? Be pretty specific. Don't just show up and be like, whatever you want to do. You know what I mean?
Check this out. You know how this is white? This light that's coming in, you see it on my face? See how my face gets lighter?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm getting a little bit right there. So basically I'm gonna have her facing this way so that light's bouncing back. I'm getting a little bit more. Yeah. And then
So diffusing, like a diffuser.
this one, yeah, the light is going through two diffusion panels. So it's gonna soften it a little bit. Remember, I'm looking at shadows instead of light, so I'm gonna tell her to have it so the shadow of her head hits the panel here. And then Aiko! Are you ready? She has another joint to hit, and then we're gonna start shooting this girl. Alright, so right now, per Brett's request, I threw on the RF50, and then we're gonna take a few shots, and then right after we're gonna do the EF.
I'm ready.
Right now what she's doing is spraying on some cooking oil, so we're gonna let the model and the camera do all the work. I'm just gonna stand here. So you see your shadow against that light? So I want your shadow like right here in the middle. Yeah? So you're the
Facing
shadow
this way or?
facing that way? So the shadow you're facing you right here. Yeah. And then you're gonna come in just a little bit more so it's right here. There you go. Yeah, that's good right there. Perfect. So the reason why I want that light to bounce back a little bit from the sun, and I'm getting this really nice light hitting you. I know it's not ideal with the wind blowing behind you, so you can hold it down. So I'm just scanning her right now, making sure the straps aren't twisted, right? And then I'm looking at the little tie thingies. This one's lower, this one's higher. I like symmetry. We're just gonna, yep. All right. Hair is good. There's a little bit of hair on the chin. Yep. So before I take a shot, I'm just gonna scan you first. That way I don't have to fix it later on. All right, we're gonna take a couple shots.
Whoa,
And- Oh, that's the look. That's the look. Yes. Yes.
Stop! No.
Yeah.
Did it go away? Did it
No.
go away?
It's gone.
Are you serious? Oh! It loves me. It loves me now.
Okay.
Okay,
All right.
now we're ready.
Yeah. So it's okay that there's people behind you because we just touched. Oh shit. Oh, sorry.
Holy cow.
Yeah. Holy cow. All right, y'all.
It's back. Is it because I'm wearing orange?
No, it's because you smell like potpourri.
Yeah.
Potpourri. So, how's your shadow on the thing? Still good?
I think so.
Perfect.
I cannot see.
Oh, okay. That's good too. All right. I'm gonna try 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, and 3. Let me just take a look here. It's too good. It's
Done.
really too good. 1, 2, and 3. I love when you have both hands in the hair.
Okay.
Yeah. There you go. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. Yep. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3. Let's bring that chin up. Oh man, I love when you always do it right before I say it. Beautiful. Okay, that's good. So it's okay that they ruined the shot by being in the background. I'm just kidding. But check this out.
That's me. Holy shit.
Yeah. Whoa, look at that one.
That one's.
That one. And I'm not faking my excitement like I normally do.
What?
But
You do?
yeah, normally. No, not with you. I'm just saying with everybody else.
Trust issues.
Yeah, you can't trust me. Photographers lie.
Do they?
But
Do they look fat?
no.
This cow just standing around, clicking a button.
No, okay, so that's the RF magic. And then we could try the EF one.
Can I swap
Yeah. Yeah, let's do
I
it.
think that's the one.
All right, so I slapped on the EF 1.2. So EF, the original one, got the adapter on there so I can use it on the EOS R. Now we're gonna try to get a similar shot as we did with the RF lens, and we're gonna take a couple shots. Same settings, no changes. 1/8,000th of a second, wide open at 1.2, and ISO 160. I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of questions why the ISO is 160, not 100. But I'm 100, that's why. And then, so this is the one I want to try to go for.
Okay.
So your right hand's kind of like, hello, and then the other hand's like this too. When you yeah, and then you're kind of looking off to the side a little bit. Yeah, there we go.
Okay, ready?
Damn, this one looks pretty good too. Okay,
Okay, ready?
take a small step. Yeah, 'cause is your shadow in the center?
I cannot see. I think.
Okay. No, it's not in the center. You're gonna come over here a little bit. There you go.
I see.
I see. Okay, there we go. So the right, yep, hello? Can you hear me? Yep, there you go. Perfect.
Wait, you're making me laugh. Hold on.
That's the name of the pose.
Okay, okay.
It's
No,
because
you
you're not on Verizon, so they can't hear you.
Okay,
Okay.
ready.
All right, there you go. Boom. And one more just in case. All right, let's do it.
Wait, I like see.
Damn, that's pretty sick.
No, I don't like it.
Why not?
I don't. I don't like my hair.
It's the hair.
Yeah. Redo.
And then episode 2, dealing with divas. Nah, just kidding. Okay, no,
So
this
that's
is
how you feel.
this is important. You got to make sure they're happy too, right?
I'm being honest though.
No, me too.
Are you looking at my hair?
Yeah, it looks good.
You're making me
You just
insecure.
no. You just like that they're all kind of more together, yeah.
It don't matter. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Ready.
All
right.
right. Perfect. Small step to your left. Yeah. There you go. Perfect. Yeah. All right. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, that looks way better. 1, 2, and 3. All right. How about now?
See? I look
Yeah.
good.
Okay.
Looks like I go to the gym a lot.
You do.
I know.
I see you. All right. Well, we're gonna throw those up. See how they compare. Honestly, looking at the back of the screen, I can't really see the difference, but I'm sure once we throw them up on the computer, you'll be able to see them. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit here. Yeah, I can see a difference now. So, yeah, I can't wait to see them how they look side by side. But I mean, the look is really similar, especially if you
Let me know, sis. Let me know.
Yeah.
I gotta know which one. Which one is Instagram worthy?
What we're gonna do is throw up picture A, and then we're gonna throw up picture B, and we're gonna see if you can tell which one's which. Take a guess, put a comment in the comment section below, and let us know what you think.
Which one is
RF?
Instagram worthy? RF or
EF,
EF? Extra fine.
fine. Or,
Really fine.
yeah. She's both of those.
Right. Look at Cal. So thank you for watching. If you found any of this helpful, please subscribe. If you have any questions or any comments, please don't be afraid to leave them down on the comments below. And of course, if you loved this video, go ahead and follow Celie or myself at Yikes Aiko on Instagram. And yeah, we'll check you guys out next time. We have a bunch of stuff coming up in the future. 2020, you get that vision, okay? Aloha, guys.